Are you tired of soggy delivery pizzas and crave that authentic wood-fired crunch in your own backyard? Stick around, because achieving pizzeria quality perfection is easier and cheaper than you think. In this video, we are counting down the top 5 best wood-fired pizza ovens available right now. I will break down exactly how they perform in the real world, and you might be surprised to find out that the most hyped oven on this list actually has a fatal flaw that could ruin your Friday pizza night. Five, aidpiza Pizza Woodfire Outdoor Oven. When I first unboxed this unit, I was genuinely impressed by its sleek stainless steel construction and compact footprint. It promises a portable, easy-to-use experience for backyard gatherings and camping trips. Setting it up was relatively straightforward, and it comes with a cordiorite pizza stone, which is pretty standard for this category, aiming to give you that crispy bottom crust we all chase. In terms of firing it up, the aidpiza uses wood pellets, which are loaded into a rear hopper. During my initial tests, getting the fire started was simple enough with a good fire starter. It does heat up relatively fast. I reached the 700-degree Fahrenheit mark in about 20 minutes. At this temperature, the oven is capable of turning out a Neapolitan-style pizza fairly quickly, and the built-in thermometer on top is a helpful touch for monitoring the ambient heat. However, actually maintaining that heat proved to be quite the frustrating juggling act. The pellet hopper is notoriously small, meaning you have to babysit the fire constantly. If you take your eyes off it for just a few minutes to prep your next pie, the temperature drops rapidly. I found myself frantically feeding pellets into the back just to keep the flame rolling over the top of the pizza, which took away from the fun and relaxing experience of cooking outdoors. Another issue I encountered was the heat distribution across the pizza stone. Despite the oven reaching high ambient temperatures, the stone itself struggled to retain enough heat for back-to-back pizzas. If you are hosting a party and need to fire off 3 or 4 pizzas in a row, the aidpiza forces you to wait a significant amount of time between bakes for the stone to recover. 4. Bighorn Outdoors Woodfire Pizza Oven. This is another highly portable pellet-fueled option that has gained a lot of traction for its budget-friendly price point. Right out of the box, the square, robust design caught my eye. It is built from stainless steel and feels a bit more substantial than some of its direct competitors. Assembly took just a few minutes, consisting mainly of attaching the legs, the chimney, and the hopper. Once assembled, I loaded it up with hardwood pellets to see what it could do. The Bighorn boasts the ability to reach temperatures up to 860 degrees Fahrenheit, and to my surprise, it actually hit that mark in about 25 minutes. When it is running at full tilt, the rolling flame over the roof of the oven is beautiful, and it cooks a pizza in under 90 seconds. The taste is undeniably authentic, imparting that sought-after wood-fired smokiness into the crust. Unfortunately, much like the aidpiza, the Bighorn suffers from serious heat management issues, though in a slightly different way. While it gets incredibly hot, the insulation is severely lacking. The exterior of the oven becomes dangerously hot to the touch, and the heat escapes through the thin metal body almost as fast as the pellets can generate it. This means you are burning through fuel at an alarming rate just to maintain a steady cooking temperature. Furthermore, the front opening is a bit too cramped for comfortable maneuvering when trying to turn the pizza to ensure an even bake, which is absolutely necessary given the intense localized heat source at the back. I found it difficult to get my turning peel in and out without knocking the edges of the crust. 3. Pellethead Portable Pizza Oven. This is where we start to see a significant jump in both design functionality and overall cooking experience. The Pellethead caught my attention because it offers a bit more versatility, allowing you to use charcoal, wood chunks, or wood pellets. This multi-fuel capability immediately gives you more control over the flavor profile and the burn time, which is a massive upgrade from strictly pellet-fed systems. During my testing, I found that starting a base with charcoal and tossing on a few chunks of hardwood yielded the best results. The charcoal provides a steady, long-lasting bed of heat, while the wood chunks deliver the soaring temperatures and rolling flames needed for Neapolitan pizza. The oven reaches a roaring 900 degrees Fahrenheit in about 20 minutes, and the thicker cordierite stone does a fantastic job of absorbing and radiating that heat evenly. One of my favorite features of the Pellethead is its superior airflow management. The venting system is intuitively designed, allowing you to easily adjust the draft to control your flame. This means you do not have to frantically feed the fire every 2 minutes. I was able to comfortably prep my pizzas, sip my drink, and slide the pie in without worrying that the fire had died down. The heat retention is notably better here, making back-to-back baking a much smoother process. Cooking in the Pellethead is a genuinely joyful experience. The spacious opening allows for easy viewing and turning of the pizza. My test pizzas came out with beautifully puffed, leopard-spotted crusts and perfectly melted cheese in roughly 60 to 80 seconds. The smoky flavor imparted by the real hardwood chunks elevated the pizzas to a level that easily rivals my favorite local pizzerias. 2. Mimiuo Outdoor Pizza Oven. From the moment I pulled this out of the packaging, I knew it was something special. The Mimiuo features a stunning, sleek design with foldable legs, making it incredibly portable without sacrificing cooking area. It is engineered with high-grade stainless steel and excellent insulation, setting a very high bar for what a portable wood-fired oven should look and feel like. Setting up the Mimiuo is an absolute breeze. It requires no tools and is ready to fire up in under 5 minutes. I tested the pellet-fueled version, and the hopper design on this unit is far superior to the lower-ranked models. It holds a generous amount of pellets and feeds them via gravity smoothly, drastically reducing the amount of babysitting required. Within 15 minutes, the oven effortlessly soared to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, the golden temperature for true Neapolitan pizza. The performance of the Mimiuo blew me away. Thanks to the dual-layer stainless steel body and ceramic fiber insulation, the heat stays trapped inside the cooking chamber, where it belongs. This incredible heat retention means the pizza stone stays scorching hot, even after pulling a fresh pizza out. I hosted a small gathering and was able to churn out 6 pizzas in rapid succession without ever having to wait for the stone to reheat. The bake quality is practically flawless. The rolling flame cascades beautifully across the roof of the oven, cooking the toppings perfectly, while the superheated stone crisps the bottom to a sturdy, satisfying crunch. Because the heat is so consistent and the opening is generously sized, turning the pizza is effortless. Every single pie I pulled out of the Mimiuo had that signature blistering and airy crust that pizza aficionados dream of. 1. Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Pizza Oven. Now, this oven takes a slightly different approach, utilizing electric power combined with real wood pellets to create a revolutionary cooking experience. When I first tested this, I was skeptical about an electric-powered oven delivering authentic wood-fired flavor, but the Ninja completely shattered my expectations and redefined outdoor pizza making. The true magic of the Ninja Woodfire lies in its absolute consistency and ease of use. You simply plug it in, set your desired temperature up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and let the machine do the work. It features an integrated smoker box where you add just a half cup of wood pellets. The oven automatically ignites the pellets, circulating rich, authentic wood smoke throughout the chamber. There is no fire to build, no flames to manage, and zero babysitting required. The cooking versatility of this unit is unmatched. It features distinct settings for Neapolitan, New York, thin crust, pan, and even frozen pizzas. I tested every setting, and the intelligent heat control adjusts the top and bottom heating elements to deliver the exact environment needed for each style. The Neapolitan setting yielded incredible blistering, while the New York setting provided a perfectly folded, chewy slice. It takes the guesswork entirely out of the equation. Beyond pizza, the Ninja Woodfire operates as an extremely capable high-heat roaster and barbecue smoker. I threw in a prime rib roast and some chicken wings, and the oven infused them with a deep, smoky flavor while keeping the meat incredibly juicy. The capacity is generous enough to fit a 12-inch pizza or a full cast-iron meal, making it an all-in-one outdoor culinary powerhouse that you will want to use every single day.